All right, everybody, we're going to be talking about the plan method. It is based off the OODA loop, so observe, orient, decide, and act. Now, if you notice observe, orient, orient is the second one, and that basically says where are you in space and time. Well, I like to put myself in a position for success when I do things. So on plan, it is position for safety, locate hazardous situations, assess relevant threats, and navigate active threats. We talked about the MTC awareness stages and how yellow stage gets you in that mindset of you're paying attention. Orange stage is intersections, looking for those hazards, and red stage is you are doing something. So if you notice for P, for position for safety, it's that yellow stage. When we're locating hazardous situations, it's because we're actively searching for those. We have an intersection coming up, I'm locating it. Now I got to get into orange stage. Assessing if anything's a threat, I'm in that paranoid mode where I'm trying to find those threats because humans are really good at finding problems, right? And then navigating a threat just in case somebody decides to do something that I don't like because I don't want to get hit. I'm going to go ahead and get myself out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and lane filter. This is definite orange stage. Arizona just passed the lane filtering law. Make sure I can make it through all here. There we go. There we go. And what we're going to be doing is talking about the plan method. Let's start off with position for safety real soon.